Hey, so what's up, guys? So today I'm in Tokyo, and I'd like to take you shopping with me for model trains, of course. I think that Tokyo is probably the best place to look for Japanese model trains, especially Akihabara. So I'll take you with me today. But first, I'd like to show you where I'm right now. Right now, I'm in my hotel room, and this is the view. Yeah, just look at this. This is the view from my hotel. It's the Marunouchi Hotel just on top of Tokyo Station. So I could stay here the whole day looking for trains go by. But already taken a few videos, of course. But yeah, we have things to do. Let's go shopping. So just exit the station and we're here. This is probably my favorite place in the world to shop. Akihabara, here we go. So the first shop you're greeted with when you exit the train station is this one, which is actually not a shop. It's Radio Kaikan, which is like a few floors of shops. Every floor has like 1, 2, 3, 4 shops. So let's get in. So Radio Kaikan, there aren't that many shops for trains. There's only one, Volks, which is a small one. It doesn't have a lot of choice. It has some used ones, and new there aren't that many choice. But it's still a good place to start. Another one here is Yellow Submarine, but it only has supplies. So nothing else for trains here. Only for like Gundam kits or action figures. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so now that we've done this side of the big road in Akihabara, let's go on the other side, which is the best one. So this is where Monta and Imon are. In Imon there are both used and new trains, Tomix, Kato, Greenmax. They have quite a good selection. And last time that I was here, they were very nice because they saw I had this logo. They thought it was a JR logo, which is inspired by, but it's not exactly that. So they gave me some free stickers, which are very good. I'll show you right here. So very nice guys. Monta has a lot of HO scale, so if you're looking for that, they have quite a lot. The problem with Monta is that all the I think also the used Tomix and Kato trains are behind the counter, so you need to ask them. So this is where Monta and Imon are. So we go back here. and we go into this pedestrian street. So we're coming from here, and this is the next shop. It's inside this building. It's called Scaleton, and it's not a very big shop, but it has some wide range of used stuff. Mostly, I think it's all used. Also, some of junk, what they call junk cars. So we've crossed the street. That's where Scaleton is, and now we're going in front of this very famous shop, Mandarake. And right in front of it, there's this Lawson, and on the first floor, there's this dog. I think it looks like a dog. Obila and Pochi. So we actually need to go up the stairs here on the first floor. So as you saw, there was a good selection of used stuff, mostly used stuff. So right now we are going probably to the best shop, which has the biggest selection. It's Popondetta. So it's like a couple of minutes from here. So let's go. So we walk past Mandarake here. And we turn left here. So the first time that I came here, I thought, okay, this is the shop, the street level one. I went in, 1 minute, done. It has like tracks and some starter kits, and not much more, but actually the good stuff is in here. So if you go on the right of the shop, you have this elevator with these floors. So let's go by stairs. So on the first floor, it's actually the second floor. They call second floor. They have more like toys and gadgets, and there's a nice diorama. So now we're back in Akihabara main street where all the cars are, and over there there's Don Quixote, that building over there, and Akihabara train station is way over there. And if you go on this side, in this little street here, there's another model train shop called Chiyoda Rails, and it's on the 7th floor of this building. So we need to go here. Okay, as you exit Chiyoda Rail down there, and you keep walking, you'll end up here, which is this building, Tam Tam. You can see there are two floors, floor number 4 and 5. So here there are like, there's a floor of used stuff and a floor of new stuff. This is no tax free, but they have quite a big collection. So yeah, need to cross the street here and get inside. Take the elevator at the corner there and get inside. That's Tam Tam. So if you cross the street and you come back towards Akihabara station, there's this shop which is called Liberty, and there's quite good selection. And so, last but certainly not least, Yodobashi Camera. So this is one giant electronics store that sells pretty much everything. So if you just have like half an hour, just come here. Just don't bother going to anywhere else. Just come here, and you can find everything. So there's one floor only for toys and models of every kind, and everything is new. There is no second-hand stuff, but there's a lot of stuff. So let's go inside and check. So there's the Gunpla stuff. There's a lot of Gunpla here. Oh, the only annoying thing is the music, but you'll get used to it and you will not pay attention to it after a while. So there are also a lot of tools like painting stuff and you can use, and then there's the train section here. There's a small second-hand section. But most of the stuff is brand new. Like here. You hear the very nice music. HO scale. So I hope you've enjoyed my tour of some of the most popular model train shops here in Tokyo, and I hope it will help you with your future trips to the city. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get more Japanese train content. See you next time. Bye!